So we'll move on to the next theory. It's called as the Fisher effect. The term Fisher effect is sometimes used in looking at the relationship between interest rate and the inflation rate. So what Fisher says is the rate of interest is seen as being made up of two parts: the real required rate of return plus a premium for inflation. Okay, so Fisher says that the interest rate of any country is a reflection of two things. The interest rate in a country is a reflection of the real interest rate and the inflation rate. So this is the formula which Fisher says. So countries with relatively high rates of inflation will generally have high nominal rates of interest, partly because of high interest rates are a mechanism for reducing the inflation and partly because of the Fisher effect. Higher nominal interest rates serve to allow investors to obtain a high enough real rate of return where inflation is relatively high. So we can put it like this. If you take two countries, India and the US, as per Fisher theory, he says that the interest rate, the interest rate in the country, for example, if you take India, the interest rate is 15% and the interest rate in US is something like 5%. The real rate will be constant in both the countries. So the real rate would be like 4%. So this is the same across all the countries. So that is what his argument is. Then there is a premium that has to be paid for the inflation. So the inflation is in US is just 1%. So when you add both 4 plus 1%, 4 plus 1, you get the answer 5. But what about the inflation in India? The inflation in India is 11%. So that's why we get a 15. So if you take some other country, something like South Africa, so again the same parity works. In South Africa, the interest rate might be 20%. The real rate across all the countries will be 4%, but the inflation in South Africa might have been 16%. So that's why when you add both, you get your nominal rate of interest. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.